In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide layers in Bluebeam. If you've ever opened a complex PDF and felt overwhelmed by all the content on your screen, layers are your best friend. They let you control which elements are visible so you can focus on exactly what matters. Hiding a layer doesn't delete anything, it simply turns that layer off so its content stays in the file but out of view. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Once your document is on screen, take a moment to get oriented. On the left side of the interface, you'll typically see a vertical strip of panels. One of those is the Layers panel. It's often represented by a small stack-like icon or a tab labeled Layers. Depending on your workspace layout, it might appear as a docked panel or a tab along the side. The important thing is that you can see the list of layers associated with your current document. Inside the Layers panel, you'll see each layer listed by name. Next to each layer name is a small eye icon. That icon controls visibility at a glance. When the eye appears open, that layer is visible. When the eye is turned off, the layer is hidden. To hide a layer, simply click the eye icon next to the layer you want to hide. The content assigned to that layer will immediately disappear from view on your page, leaving the rest of your document intact. If the layer contains markups, annotations, or background elements, those will be hidden too, as long as they're assigned to that layer. If you need to hide more than one layer, repeat the same action for each layer you want to turn off. You'll notice that the page becomes cleaner with each click, which can be especially helpful for reviewing architectural plans, isolating disciplines, or comparing revisions. If you change your mind or want to bring something back, click the eye icon again to toggle the layer back on. It's a non-destructive, instantly reversible change. A couple of quick tips as you work. Layer visibility applies to the current document and helps keep your view focused. If there are nested layers, hiding a parent layer will typically hide the content under it, which can be a fast way to clean up the view. Also, remember that what you see on screen can affect what you export or print depending on your settings. So make sure your layers are visible or hidden the way you intend before sharing. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, locate the Layers panel, click the eye icon next to the layer you want to hide, and repeat for any others. With just a few clicks, you can make even the busiest PDF simple to navigate.